Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to report unauthorized transactions on Bright. Are you worried that you've spotted a transaction that you didn't authorize? Well, here's how to report it on Bright quickly and securely. First, open the Bright app and head to your transactions history. Find the suspicious charge and tap on it. And then you're going to select report issue or flag as unauthorized. Bright will then guide you through a quick form to describe exactly what happened. Once submitted, their support team will immediately review it, and your account may be temporarily locked to prevent further activity. You're going to get updated by email or within the app as your case is investigated. Fast reporting means faster resolution, and Bright's fraud protection ensures that you've never left on your own. Like, share, and subscribe for more ways to take control of your finances and stay protected. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.